What's up everyone? Today's another day working on the IS300. I am doing my fluids that I should have done about a month ago, but Michael's car has been having problems and every time I'm trying to do my fluids something happens. So finally getting the trans and diff fluid done, and my headlights have been getting some water, and so I bought some black housed ones. Gonna throw those on because I'm sick of it. Probably try to reseal those at a later date to have a backup, but let's get to drift prep for next weekend. That's gonna be it for today. I am so tired. I didn't feel like working on my car, let alone recording, so sorry if there's not that much footage. I just wanted to get it done. I was really getting tired of all the water getting in my headlight, but here it is. Finally. Looks really good. I would have went JDM headlights, but I saw that you have to splice into your HIDs because they're not the same and do all this electrical stuff, which I did not want to do because that's like my weak point, and I'm already not that good at cars, so that's saying something. But really glad on how they turned out. Hope these don't get water in them either. But I have a half marathon to do tomorrow, so I gotta rest my legs, and I might record some of that, still not sure, but if not, stay tuned to the next video, which is gonna be the next drift event back. Thank you guys for watching, and please comment, like, and subscribe.